So in this video, I tried to storm chase and escape a tornado in BeamNG.drive. And it goes really wrong because I've never done it in this type of map. I've only done it in a different map, so lots of chaos because I didn't know how to set it up. But enjoy, please, because I really need to know. Alright. Damn, that's a big tornado. We will be escaping on motorcycles, but I don't think the tornado is moving. Let's see. I think it's crashed. Oop. There we go. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It's chasing me. I did not really see this car. Oh! Oh no! Oh. Yo! Hold up. Wait. Help. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, let me live, bro, please. Please. Please, bro, please. Bro, we need it so this car can't break every 5 seconds. Can we just make... Hold up. Off. Oh shoot, wait. What the hell? What did I do? No. I think 100 mode. Set. Maybe. Oh no, I've never done this type. Oh, finally I'm left alone. Oh my god, I just caught on fire, bro. No, I did not even press any of these. You guys just saw. That tornado is going crazy. We're gonna have to hunt it down. Oh. We have to literally hunt down. We have to chase a tornado. Bro, we're storm chasing in a SWAT police car. Like, oh no, wait, no. Wait, can I drive through? Almost. The police are even trying to go get the suspect. But the suspect is really just stuck. Because the suspect is an idiot. Of course. Oh. Alright, there we go. Hold up. There we go. Alright, so now it should be perfect. I did have to do some configurations. Holy, that is a big tornado. Everyone pull over. Pull over, everyone. What is this guy doing? Oh no! Oh hell. Might need to flip my car back over. Like, guys, I tried to warn you, but you guys didn't listen. Everybody pull over. No, actually don't pull over. Drive to a shelter. Yeah, actually. Alright. Oh. Wait, we still need to be following it. Let's go first person to make this cooler. No, we went up here. So, alright. Suspect has escaped from me. I mean, I'm gonna keep my sounds on so everyone just pulls over. Alright. Alright. Where's this tornado? No, wait, no. Oh my god. Oh. Hold up. There. Now we're going towards the tornado. I don't have the correct directions. I'm not the best right now. When there's a tornado, I'm not really good. Look at... Wait, no. Oh my. Of course, yeah, it just had to be today. Great. Alright, so now we're gonna respawn back all the way here. And we're gonna now... This is a really, really bad idea, but I'm gonna get out the Super GP. AK 40 GP, but yeah, same thing. Here we are. That was actually so insane. But I'm gonna do something, and it's gonna make it so the police don't chase me. And trust me, it's good. Might seem bad because they will just go crazy, kind of. But I've done it before. They don't even care about it. So they're now really, really good drivers. See? They're even hitting the cops. Oh, thank you. He adjusted my front tire. Oh. Alright, so so it's kind of back up here. Yeah, it definitely is. We're going full at it. Full speed at a tornado. What's this? Look at that tornado! Yo, that's crazy. So it's on there. All right, easy. That's a pretty easy place to get to. Only easy if the tornado doesn't get me. It's over there. It's moving pretty quick because I set the rope speed to 100, so yeah. I learned that the wind speed of a tornado is 300, but bro, I am right now trying to do my job. Well, I'm storm chasing on a literal motorcycle. I'm really stupid, but I'm also stupid. I'm stupid in real life, so there we go. And plus now, if the tornado crashes, it's just gonna keep on driving. Like when you hit a baby, actually, wait, no, cut that. Okay. I was gonna say when you hit a baby and you trick it into thinking it didn't get her. Alright, so I just wasted a lot of time trying to get out. Are you serious? Stupid cop. Are you serious? Oh my god. Oh my. I feel like I should change it already. Oh, you know what? I'm changing already. The tornado's over there already. Alright. Let's change to an okay car. All right. So let's see. I want to use one of these. Horrible idea. Yes. And I like horrible ideas. There we have it. We got it right here. This might be slow though. But do I care if it's slow? Not really. Threw it away on the other side of the map. Damn. Maybe I do care if it's slow. I think I actually picked the wrong car. You idiot. Yeah, pull out. Pull in front of me and see what happens, okay? Yeah, man. Oh, maybe I will see what happens. Maybe I see what happens. You know, there's people swerving on the road, and I'm pretty sure they accidentally chugged a beer. I don't know how they accidentally did that. Maybe they chugged a beer. Maybe they're drinking beer while driving. Don't drink and drive, bro. Oh man, they're not on the same route as me. Where's this tornado? And where am I going? Yeah, I should get really good storm chasing car, but I may or may not have that. And I may or may not be horrible at driving with a keyboard and mouse. I really don't know where this tornado is. Alright, we're changing again. And we're also gonna reset the tornado. I wish someone would like make this map, but make it destructible for tornadoes. So like a tornado could just grab it and do that. Because that would be sick. Cool. Where's that tornado? Ah, it's coming here. Great. Oh no. And I survived. Great. Oh wait, never mind. It did break the car a bit, but that's okay. No, I don't like how this guy is driving. There we go. Just had to line it up perfectly. What? Bro, it's coming out. It's like crazy. Oh! Mi bomboklat. Alright, it's getting away, bro. The tornado's getting away, bro. Like, I know I should be getting in a shelter, but there really isn't a shelter here, is there? So I'm just gonna chase it down because, you know. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna guess it went through here. We know the bad drivers are on this road. So yeah, it makes sense why we would have idiot. I'm not calling you guys an idiot, I'm calling that stupid driver an idiot. Alright. That... Yeah, I gotta catch up. I should have went there. Wait a minute. Alright, so... Maybe it was a good thing I went down here. I think I'm gonna go through here. Okay, if I don't catch up, it's just gonna get away, bro. Oh my god. You idiot, bro. Now it's getting away. I'm trying to get this tornado, but... It's up on this, right? It's on this. Oh my! Oh, the AI has ruined it. Congratulations, AI, you've completely ruined this video. And also me getting this tornado. Alright, come on, bro. Alright. No, maybe there's still help. Highly doubt. Oh, never mind. There is help. Bro, never mind. Like, frick you, cop. Where even is the tornado now? It's right there. Great. And if anyone tries to crash into me now, it's like, take that, take that. Catch on fire, yeah. Oh man. Do not ask where I'm going. Alright. Let's go. We're right here at the tornado. Let's go. Here, guy. Whoops. Can't really help. I'm gonna go through here. I'm not gonna turn right here. I'm now gonna go here. Get over there. Because I need to get to this tornado. It's only picked my car up once. That's it. Everyone out of the way, please. Just please get out of the way. Thank you. Right. Now we are oh my god. You know what? No one said I couldn't do any shortcuts. We got this. Well, I got this. I done really, really bad. That was a great shortcut. Great. Now I need to go off-roading, and this is not an off-roading car. Alright, there. Alright. Honestly, I cannot. Oh no. Oh, great. Oh no. Alright guys, you know what time it is. Reset tornado, reset my car to this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, kaboom, kaplow. Oh. Alright, so first person doesn't look great. Oh no. Oh no. I have to go into this one. Oh, sorry. Sorry, everyone. Oh no. Hello. Oh no. This stupid idiot just hit me. Ow! Alright, you know what? If you go. Oh! Bye, everyone. Stupid guy. doesn't know how to drive. Alright. Guy, please, sorry, but move out my way. You too, please. Move out my way. Police! The police hit me. No, I am idiot. I've also forgot to do this. So. Alright, that's where. There. Wait. Yo. Take that, police. I mean, tornado. Ah. They're stuck. Here. I know how to help. Here. Oh. Nope. Yo. What? Oh my god. This tornado, it just can't. Finally. There we go. I might need to make this tornado slower. Let's set you at maybe 45. Right there. Come on. See ya. Oh my god, you idiot. Trying to run me over. Wow, so I'm trying to. Yeah. Alright. I need a good intro. But I'm not good at animating. Like, I used to do animations, but I'm horrible at it now. I think the tornadoes crashed, and I think this video is way too long. Oh, it definitely crashed. Oh! You know what? To end this video, I gotta drive through this tornado. Near tornado. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. And comment cheese. And remember, stay wobbly. Oh shoot. Where'd that please go? See ya.